Hello, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 11 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to add passes to Google Wallet. In the beginning let's go to Wallet and now tap Add to Wallet button. Focus on Transport Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly let's go to Transport Pass, and if you are able to find your transit way, select it. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty and select Loyalty program you are participating in. You can scan your card or enter member ID manually. Tap Add to Wallet and it's done. Now go back, enter gift card and similarly to Loyalty card, select Shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap Add to Wallet button. And that's it, all of your cards will appear on the homepage of Google Wallet. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.